So you bought a talaria komodo, and now what do you do? So I'm just going to make this video real quick. I had a guy reach out, asked about the factory wire. So when you get this bike, it's going to come in a box. You're going to do what I did. You're going to put it all together. You're not going to read the instructions. Actually, I still haven't read the instructions. I don't know if this step is even in there. But you're going to hop on it and get all excited. And it's only going to go like 30 miles an hour. It's not going to have any power. You're going to be like, what the absolute F is going on? There's a thing I seen online. I didn't know you had to do it. But yeah, you absolutely have to do it. For whatever reason, I'm sure the Chinese haven't figured out that with the laws, that there's a wire in there, you have to cut it, and then it's going to rip, but you have to do it. So it limits the power and speed to like 30 miles an hour. And so I'm going to everything you need to build this bike when it comes in this toolkit that they give you. Literally everything, you can put everything together with this. So I'm going to show you in detail because he asked if I could show what wire it is. There's only one wire in there that's looped, and that's the one you cut, but I'll show you. Okay, like I said, every tool you need is going to be in there. There's 4 bolts. I recommend taking this off every now and then, clean out that front tire. Mud gets packed in there, so I recommend taking it off, at least hosing out the best you can. There's a bunch of mud, so there's bolt there, on top, and then on the bottom. So you take that off. This is what you're going to get. Some wires crammed in here. So I'm going to show you in real time what wire to cut. So give me one sec here to remember how I did pull this out. It's packed in here pretty tight. Hey, let me dig it out here. Hold on. There, I just needed both hands for a minute there. I'll try to get out of it. So it comes out the front. You're going to have your 2 plugs there, and there's just going to be this random looped wire here. It is kind of a brown puke color. It's just a wire by itself. You can see it coming out of that wiring harness there, out of the orange harness. It's just one random loop wire. You just cut that. I'll even cut it again so you know I cut it. I got the most awkward, hard to use cutters. Well, you get the idea. You cut that wire. Like I said, it's kind of brownish focus. That wire. Just cut that wire. So only looped wire. Every other wire is plugged into something. There'll just be one random looped wire. Just cut it. And then it unlocks everything. Yeah, there it is. Just put the bolts back on and then you're ready to rip and tear. This thing is fast as boy. It is a lot of fun though. So with that being said, I did make a new channel. It's called Mr. Sparky. It's actually named after a dog we found on an island. Long story. I thought it was suitable for, you know, electric dirt biking. But so I'm just made that channel. Just made it. I'm probably gonna do both. Gonna upload here and there because I'm just gonna keep that more of like a dirt bike. Because on this channel I do a lot of things that YouTube don't like. A lot of freedom stuff, freedom sticks. So that's what I'm going to do there. There's a lot of interest in this bike. A lot of people liked it. And there really hasn't been too many videos of these just like in the woods riding. So I can't today. I'm a little busy. But I'll get my GoPro strapped up and then we'll just do some trail riding and different things. I have a couple shorts out of hill climbing it. And me and the boy might go out today. So maybe I'll try to get some more footage of that. And well, thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate everybody checking in, commenting, and if you have any questions on this bike or a lot of other bikes, just shoot me a comment, man. I read every comment and get back to everybody very quick. So appreciate it. See you guys.